Welcome to the Agile Business Analyst, your go-to channel for practical tips and insights on agile practices, business analysis, and product success. In today's video, we're tackling a critical topic: how to prioritize the product backlog. Whether you're a business analyst, product owner, or part of a Scrum team, mastering backlog prioritization ensures you're always delivering the most value first. First, let's define the product backlog. The product backlog is a dynamic, ordered list of everything that might be needed in the product, managed by the product owner. As an agile business analyst, your role often includes helping clarify and refine backlog items. But prioritization determines what gets delivered and when. Why does backlog prioritization matter so much? Because Agile is all about delivering value quickly and iteratively. Without a clear priority, teams may waste effort on features that don't drive outcomes. Effective prioritization ensures we focus on what delivers business value, reduces risk, and aligns with stakeholder needs. Let's explore 5 popular techniques you can use to prioritize backlog items effectively. First, we have the Moscow method: must have, should have, could have, and won't have. This method is great for negotiating scope and setting expectations. Next is the value versus effort matrix. You plot features based on the value delivered versus the effort to implement. Quick wins go to the top right corner. Then there's the Kano model. It classifies features as basic, performance, or delighters. This helps in balancing functionality with user satisfaction. Fourth, we have WSJF, weighted shortest job first. Used in SAFe, it balances the cost of delay against the time it takes to complete the job. It's ideal for large programs. Finally, the RICE score: reach times impact times confidence divided by effort. It's a quantitative way to compare and stack rank items. So where does the business analyst fit into all this? You play a supportive and strategic role in backlog prioritization. This includes facilitating workshops with stakeholders to align priorities, clarifying business value and dependencies, providing data to support decisions like customer feedback or usage stats, and challenging assumptions when needed. Remember, while the product owner owns the backlog, your insights help drive better prioritization decisions. Here are 5 quick tips to level up your backlog prioritization. First, keep it lean. Don't overload the backlog. Only keep items that add potential value. Second, prioritize frequently. Backlogs are living documents. Review and adjust often. Third, use themes or goals. Group items by business goals to focus on outcomes. Fourth, validate assumptions. Use data, experiments, and feedback to inform what stays on top. Finally, balance short and long-term value. Not everything should be MVP. Think strategically. Prioritizing the product backlog is part art, part science. As a business analyst, your influence helps ensure the team is always focused on delivering the right thing at the right time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your Agile team. And let us know in the comments what prioritization techniques have worked best for you.